Okay, imagine this. You want to build a new business, maybe an online store or even the next big applications like Instagram. Now, in the old days, you would need to buy expensive computers, rent a data center, set up servers, install security, and manage backups. Basically, spend lakhs or crores even before you earn a single rupees. But what if I told you that today, with just a laptop and internet connection, you can access the power of thousands of servers instantly and only pay for what you use? Yes, that's the magic of cloud computing, and we can say AWS. Now, Amazon Web Services, the #1 cloud service provider in the world. And in this video, we will explore what AWS really is and why it's so powerful and how it's quietly running behind some of your favorite applications like Netflix, Zomato, and even government services. So, what is AWS specifically? AWS is the cloud computing platform built by Amazon. Think of it as a massive supermarket for technology. Instead of you building and managing everything from scratch, AWS says, hey, I already have servers, storage, databases, AI tools, security system, and many more. You just pick what you need, use it, and pay only for the hours or seconds you use it, right? In simple words, AWS turns computing into electricity-like services. Just like you don't build your own power plant, you don't need to build your own data center anymore. You simply switch it on when you need it. Let's take an example. Imagine you are opening a restaurant. You could build your own kitchen, buy all the equipment, hire staff, and run everything yourself. Expensive, right? Or you could use a food court model where the kitchen, utilities, and staff are already available. You just bring your recipe, pay for the counter space you use, and start serving customers immediately. That food court actually AWS. It gives you ready to use infrastructure so you can focus on your ideas, not on managing machines. Now, what does AWS offer? Now, AWS is not just one service. It's collection of over 200 plus services. Let me break it down with simple analogies like EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. Think of it as renting virtual computers. You need one, take one. You need 1000, then spin them up instantly. Now S3, that is simple storage services like your personal Google Drive, but at internet scale. Store movies, photos, backups, anything. Now RDS, that is relational database services. Imagine you want a database but don't want to worry about software updates and backups. AWS will do for you. Now Lambda, this is like magic. You just write your code and AWS runs it only when needed, like paying only when your light switch on. And there is more. AI tools, machine learning platforms, security services, networking, analytics, basically everything an organization needs to build and run applications. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but who actually uses AWS? The answer is everyone from startups to governments. Netflix uses AWS to stream movies to millions of people. NASA uses AWS to process space images. Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, all of them use AWS behind the scenes. Even Indian government projects like Arogya Setu used AWS during the pandemic for scalability. So chances are every single day you are already using the services powered by AWS and you just don't realize it. Now, why should you care? Here's the big takeaway. AWS is not just a tool for big companies. It's also for you. Whether you want to launch your startup, become a cloud engineer, or build AI-powered applications, AWS gives you the tools and playground to do it faster, cheaper, and smarter. And the best part, you don't need to buy hardwares or be a billionaire. You can start experimenting today itself, even for free with AWS's free tier. So to put it simply, AWS is Amazon's cloud platform that lets you borrow technology like servers, storage databases, and even AI tools on demand. That's most important word. Like electricity, right? It powers everything from your favorite food applications to space explorations. Now you might be asking, why is cloud computing so popular and what are the real benefit compared to old school IT? Well, that's exactly what we will cover in our next video, the benefits of cloud computing. Trust me, once you see the advantages, you will understand why AWS has become the backbone of the modern digital world. I am Amit signing off today. See you in my next video. Thank you.